Hello friends, welcome back to DJ Speak channel. Today we are going to discuss how to cast video in Google Meet. This is exactly sharing an external device or an application rather than sharing your screen. Now what do you mean by casting then? It is nothing but you are integrating an application into another application. For example, if you're taking a class in Google Meet, instantly you wanted to show any video, you can use this technique. Absolutely, by using this technique, you are making applications talk each other. This can be done in simple steps. Initially, you need to sign in your Gmail account. I have already signed into my Gmail account. Click on to this three dots, that is more options, and select cast here. Look here, cast tab is looking for devices and states no device found. It means you haven't made applications interact each other. Now when you close this, immediately the icon disappears. I want this icon to be always available in the Chrome browser. Again, click this more options, select cast, right click this cast icon, select always show icon. So when you select, the icon will be available in your Chrome browser. So now you're going to enable the cloud service so that the applications can interact each other. Right click and enable this cloud service. So here I'm going to use two applications. One is Google Meet, another one is YouTube. My YouTube is going to interact with Google Meet here. So schedule a meeting here. Click on to this Google Apps, schedule a meeting in Google Calendar. It is not an ongoing event. Right away we are going to attend this meeting. So click here, go to more options, give here title, cast video. So my title name, invite guests here, select here, click save, send an invitation. So now I am going to join with Google Meet. So I'm going to disable my video and mic. I'm going to join now. So this is my Google Meet application. So when you click here in the cast, it states that cast video available. Now Google Meet is ready to accept an application. So now my second application is YouTube. I'm going to type here YouTube, press enter. So type my channel name DJ Speak, press enter. So I'm going to select a video here, how to record PowerPoint. Okay, so enable this pass button, and now when you click this cast icon, it states that cast www.youtube.com. So now my YouTube is going to integrate with Google Meet. So I'm going to select this cast video. It starts casting. See, you can see the signal here. It's going to cast, and when you open this Meet tab, you could see the video available here. So when I play a video, this will be active in the Google Meet.
Record, stop, replay. And this is the Notes tab. You can have small notes in your Notes tab to explain the slide. This will not appear in your recorded PPT. So the audience.
So when I pause here, and immediately it reflects. So guys, this is how we are casting an applications into another application. We are making applications to talk each other. Again, when I play this, and this will reflect in the Google Meet.
These two icons are to make the text larger and smaller as well. And this clear button to clear the.
You can always show some tutorials when you are taking class in Google Meet. This feature will be really helpful to you. I hope this video would be helpful for you. Please do watch, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next